Start your financial journey by using these strategies. Don't bury your head in the sand when it comes to money. Taking control of your finances can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's entirely possible. In this video, we'll explore 5 essential strategies to help you manage your money effectively. From budgeting to investing, these tips will set you on the path to financial freedom. Let's get started. Pay off debt first. This is a crucial step in achieving financial stability and freedom. Focus on eliminating personal loans and high-interest debt before anything else, excluding your mortgage or car loan. High-interest debts, like credit card balances, can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. The quicker you pay these off, the more money you'll have available for other financial goals, such as saving for emergencies, investing, or even enjoying life's little pleasures. This will reduce your monthly expenses and free up cash flow. Imagine the relief and peace of mind that comes with not having to worry about multiple debt payments each month. It allows you to focus on building a secure financial future for yourself and your family. By prioritizing debt repayment, you set the stage for a more stable and prosperous financial journey. It's a powerful step towards financial independence and long-term success. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This is a crucial step to ensure you're financially secure in case of unexpected events. Start by setting small, achievable savings goals. Consistently contribute to your fund, even if it's just a little each month. Over time, these small contributions will add up, providing you with a financial cushion. Remember, an emergency fund is not for everyday expenses. It's for those unexpected situations like medical emergencies, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Prioritize this fund to build a solid financial foundation. Start investing today by opening an individual savings account on a reliable investment platform. Trading 212 is an excellent choice, especially for beginners who are just starting their investment journey. When you begin, it's crucial to focus on low-cost index funds, which offer broad market exposure and reduce risk. Additionally, consider dividend stocks that provide regular income and REITs, or real estate investment trusts, which allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of property management. Diversifying your portfolio with these options can help you achieve long-term financial growth. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Take the time to educate yourself, perhaps by reading financial books or discussing strategies with friends and advisors. The more informed you are, the better your investment decisions will be. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your investments grow steadily over time. Invest at least 10% of your income. The more you can invest, the faster you'll move towards financial freedom. The key is consistency. Investing regularly will help grow your wealth over time. Start by setting clear financial goals and understanding your risk tolerance. Diversify your investments to spread risk and maximize potential returns. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Stay informed and adjust your strategy as needed. Investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stay committed and watch your wealth build. Set clear financial goals to change your mindset towards money. Once you start your financial journey, there's no turning back. Define both short-term and long-term goals. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. Remember, clear goals are the foundation of financial success. Allocate a percentage of your income to savings for big purchases like vacations or cars. This disciplined approach helps you move towards financial goals and creates a safety net for unexpected expenses. Consistency and commitment are key. Start small and increase the amount over time. Every bit adds up, bringing you closer to your aspirations. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. It really helps grow the channel.